Hi everybody, I'm Buck WSR Weezer coming at you today once again with the Echo leaf blower, this model right behind me on the table. In a video I did recently, I asked the question, can this blower run any stronger? And it wasn't running as fast as it should, and I had said in that video that I did not believe there was any adjustments that we could make on the carburetor. And thanks to one of you followers of mine, subscribers, you tipped me off that there actually is. I didn't realize it, so I've learned something, and today I'm going to try to adjust that. You want to see the other video where I asked the question, can this blower run any stronger? I'll link to it right up there, or at the end of the video, or in the comments. Let's see if we can get this adjusted, and I'll show you what I learned. Okay, so here we are. I've removed the carburetor, and I took off the section here that has the primer bulb, and below that there actually is an adjustment screw. Can you see that in there? Now, I did not realize there was a high-speed adjustment screw on this carburetor, and I'm glad that I learned. See, it's covered with a plug, which is now on the end of my drill bit. A little brass plug. I used the drill to remove it. Did not realize that that was even there, or that adjusting this carburetor was possible. Now I've taken that plug out. I'm going to put it all back together, and we'll fire this up and see if we can use that high-speed adjustment screw to get this thing running faster. So let me put it all back together, and I'll bring you back in for the carburetor adjustment with the engine running. All right, so it's under. I'm going to fire up the blower now that it's all back together, and we'll try to adjust with the mixture screw right under here. You may not be able to see it real well, but hopefully that this is going. I'm going to open it up by turning it counterclockwise, and hopefully we'll be able to tell just by listening to the engine that it's running better. Up that high-speed adjustment screw, the engine started running faster. You saw me blowing leaves. It seemed to be a little bit better than what we had originally. So it was a great lesson for me to learn about that hidden high-speed adjustment screw. And we just opened it up until we were running a little bit better. And so yeah, I think it's good to go now, and hopefully we've all learned a little something here. Thanks for watching. I'm Buck WSR Weezer. Feel free to leave a comment or a question if you have one. Have a great day, everybody. Bye.